Your tomatoes won't make it without this. It's the secret to healthy, strong plants that an old gardener once shared with me. If you want big, juicy, deep red tomatoes, watering and fertilizing alone won't cut it. The real game changer is proper pruning. It's what determines the strength of the plant and how many fruits you'll get. Those lower branches just drain energy for no reason. They slow down ripening and raise the risk of disease. To keep your plants strong and manageable, leave only 2 or 3 sets of leaves below the first fruit cluster. Cut off the lower, unnecessary branches, especially the ones closest to the ground. They trap moisture and encourage mold. This simple pruning step improves airflow and sunlight exposure, making your plants sturdier and healthier. It's easy to do but incredibly effective. It can completely transform the look and productivity of your tomatoes. You'll see the difference in just a few days. Stronger stems, fewer diseases, and loads of big red fruit.